Good morning from the train station in Kandy. This place is hectic and today we're going on a 6-hour train ride to Ella. So come along, I'm stoked for you guys to see this. It's gonna be a really cool train ride going through the hills around Sri Lanka.
Lemonade coming at you.
Jordan!
Jackson.
Professional blogger.
What?
Are you happy for today?
Yeah, I'm always happy.
Yeah, we know. Cool. What you got there?
I got some chalky milk in a bag, my favorite sort of meal, just to last the 6-hour train ride.
We're going on a train. We got second class tickets.
Let's go.
So we are kind of fancy. Look at this. Oh, this is a nice little restaurant area. This train is so much fun and it stops every like 15 minutes. Then you have time to like actually do a vlog because it's all the doors of this train is open, so it's so much sound in it all the time. See you guys, have fun in Germany. All right, bye.
What is up? We're here on the train. We're about an hour into the 6-hour adventure. We've finally secured good spots and our view is gonna get better.
Yeah!
Because I hear that coming up is some of the most scenic views on the trip.
And now we're buying street food on the train.
Alright, it's really good, guys.
The train has just stopped. It's been an amazing ride so far. Oh, we're up to a start again. Okay, a local guy just told me that 10 minutes from here, we're gonna have some amazing views. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep recording. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Awesome. It just takes you from mountain village to mountain village. It doesn't run fast. You can sit like me the entire ride and just enjoy it. Amazing view so far. Sri Lanka is really, really beautiful. Done with the train. Yee! And we are someplace I've never been. I think none of us have ever been there. Jordan, where are we?
We are in Ella? Is that right?
Yeah, I think
Ella.
so.
Ella.
Like the magazine, Ella.
Yeah, or the girl. Ella.
Yeah.
Or the Rihanna song, Under My Umbrella.
Ella.
Ella.
First reaction, what do you think about the train ride?
So scenic, so beautiful, beautiful. Like
You
I've been
recommend
loving it. Yeah.
I've been loving it. She's recommending it.
Yes.
Just got to our new hotel for today.
Thank you. Wow.
Flowers and everything.
Change your password.
Guys, look at all of this. So when you enter the hotel, you
less
light the
people are at
flame
the
for
better,
prosperity and a long life. And then it's food and coffee. Yeah, we're in a Royal Cocoon Hotel.
And they've blessed us with some amazing friends. Go follow this guy, he's actually
follow this
amazing.
guy.
No, please. Okay, follow me.
Thanks for serving me my food.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I mean, look.
I'm an Englishman.
To add to that, bungalows was built here in Sri Lanka during the rule of the British. So this is all like British-inspired tea, coffee, biscuits. It's pretty awesome, and I think the hotel rooms are inspired by British architecture as well. Okay, Jordan. So the general manager just gave us 4 different menus,
Choose one style.
and we can choose one for tonight for dinner.
Well, let's make it a poll on Instagram.
It's time for our room review. Skrr! And as I thought, British Empire inspired, like from the colonial time, is really cool. Way. So we're all living in the same house, but we all have each of our separate rooms. And look at this look-in shower bathroom. And yeah, that's the room. How big is your room?
My room is big. You can come in here if you want.
Can we see it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful.
I like it. It's inspired by the colonial time.
Yeah.
So the British used to have it.
Best room.
Wow.
I want to check
Okay,
it out.
from what my knowledge is, Jackson pulled the longest straw, and look at his room. Woohoo! This must have been like the master's bedroom. Now, what a heck. Sick! A little sweet garden. Time to hit a shower. I think we're gonna have a fun, good time here.